Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this incredibly delicious dinner recipe. You can easily make this with less ingredients, and yet it tastes heavenly. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 350 grams of boneless chicken. Now, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now, mix until well combined. Now, cover and marinate for 30 minutes. In another bowl, take for potatoes, peeled and washed. Now, dice the potatoes. Now, place the diced potatoes in boiling water and boil until the potatoes are soft. Using a sieve, remove the boiled diced potatoes. Now, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now, mix well. Add 1½ tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add the diced potatoes in the pan and then cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now keep it aside, and in another pan, add 1½ tablespoons of olive oil. Add the marinated chicken and cook until the chicken changes color. This recipe is going to be the best dinner recipe ever. In the meantime, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any new recipes. Also, comment on your thoughts on this recipe. So now, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Add the cooked potatoes and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add half a cup of milk, half a cup of double cream, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and now, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Now, sprinkle chopped fresh coriander and it's ready to serve. There you have it, the dinner recipe, which was very easy to make, took less ingredients, and turned out so good. Anyway, I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.